If you're mapping with HiveMapper and you have issues with your camera losing the GPS signal, then you don't want to miss this video. Last week, a lot of HiveMapper users started to have issues with their GPS falling off all the time, so they lost a lot of footage, and that included me as well. From having a pretty good connection to the GPS satellite, I started to lose it a lot, and my images were not captured at all the same as before. A lot of people started to write in Discord, and they believed that it was this or another update that was implemented at that time that was causing it. Then later on, John, he wrote something about that people who had increased GPS gaps, it could be that it was insufficient power supply, which a little bit strange for myself because I didn't do any changes at all in the car. I had another dash cam connected and a regular dash cam I used to charge my iPhone, and I have an Mapmetrics device as well that was connected and so on. So it was a little bit strange. I didn't do any changes, it just stopped working well. I disconnected everything and only had my HiveMapper camera connected, but still the same issues. So I bought a GPS signal amplifier and installed it, and wow, that's a big difference. I just made a test ride this morning and the results are incredible, if I can say so. Yesterday I went for a drive here. As you can see, my signal wasn't too good. I could see the blue LED light falling out 5 times, and it was here, here and here. But as you can see, it was really bad all the time. Today I installed the amplifier and I was driving more or less the same road, the opposite direction. I couldn't go exactly the same here because there was a construction going on, so I had to go this way instead. What can I say? It's incredible. The LED didn't show that the GPS fell out a single time, and as we can see here, it didn't fall out. And it was working really good. Yesterday I got 676 photos. Today, the same route, more or less, 2,500. That is 4 times as many. But that's not so strange when we look at this one. We can also see yesterday, let's see if I can zoom. Here, it was recording that I was actually driving out in a rice field. And it has been doing like that many times before too. So it was a huge improvement with this one. And the amplifier I bought on AliExpress, $12. It is just, here is the GPS antenna. You mount it on the outside of your car, and then you have the transmitter, or what it could be called, that you place inside the car, and you connect it to an USB outlet as well. And here are some photos from my highly temporary installation because I just wanted to see if it was working. I just put this transmitter on the seat, as you can see, inside the car. On top of the rails of my car, I just mounted it with zip ties so it's facing upwards. And of course it gets better signal when it's outside the car. And as we can see here, I'm parked in my carport now. I have all 3 LEDs lit. And I never had the GPS signal while parked in the carport. So this one is doing miracles, I would say. That was a pretty good, easy fix. I believe that I will have a lot more photos taken by the camera now in the correct places, since it's not hopefully going to register that I'm on a rice field or some other places driving. And if you're interested in one of those amplifiers, there's a link in the video description below, so check it out. This one worked really well for me. If there was something else with the cameras or firmware or whatever they did and it can be changed, I don't know, but right now I'm super happy that it's working well. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.